Hello everybody, I am Anjali and welcome again to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make this type of summer top. So this is two color top, and from the back side here I am giving these cute little buttons also. So I'm going to use two fabrics for this, but if you want you can take one full fabric and make it in a two pieces, like bottom part and the top part. So I am going to use these two fabrics for my top. So the total length of my top will be 25 inches, so 10 inches will be with this one. So here I have the piece of fabric, its length is 11 inch because 10 inch will be the total length, and 1 inch I'm giving for the adjustments. Here you can see it's 11 inch, and width will be whatever the measurement of your hips is, take half of it and then add 6 more inches to it. So this will be the width of your fabric. So you have to take two pieces of the same measurement, one for the front side and one for the back side. And here I have the bottom part, so this will be 15 inch long. So here I have taken again two pieces of fabric, one for the front side and one for the back side. So the length of this fabric is 16 inch because 1 inch I'm taking for the adjustments. You can take 1 inch or 1.5 inch extra. So this will be the length, and width of the fabric is 35 inch because I'm going to give pleats at the middle. That's why I'm taking a little bit extra fabric. So first I'm going to start the marking on the top part. So place both the pieces on each other like this and then fold it from the middle. Now from the folded side I will start giving the marking. Half of my shoulder measurement, that is 7. Then 7.5 inch down I will mark my armhole measurement. Now make a line here. Now mark the measurement of your chest. So whatever the measurement of your chest is, divided by 4 and then add 1 inch to it and mark it here. So this is your chest measurement. Mark the measurement of your neckline. So width of my neckline will be 4 inch because here I am giving boat neck. 2.5 inch down I'm giving the depth of my neckline. Now here half inch down I'm giving the shoulder drop. Now for the armhole I'm making 1 inch line from this corner, then taking half of this line, mark a point here and make 2 centimeter line ahead of this line. Now join all these points with the curve. Now for the back armhole, make a curve in this box only. Now from this chest point I'm going to give 1.5 inch extra for the cutting. So here my marking is done. Now I will cut this out. So first I will cut the neckline. Now remove the back side and cut the front armhole. So here you can see my front part is ready and back part is also done. Now I will complete the bottom part. So take the middle part of the top part and middle part of the bottom part also, here like this, mark a point. Now match both the middle points like this and then make a pleat here with the remaining fabric of the bottom part. Here you can see how I'm giving the pleat. It's very easy. You have to match end part of both the pieces and then you have to make the pleats at the middle part and then give the stitch facing both the right sides together. So you have to join both the pieces like this. Now for the back side, this is the back part, and here I have two equal pieces for the back side. So you have to cut two equal pieces for the back side like this and then give 2 inch of gap and make a line here and then fold it till here and give a stitch. both the sides, you have to give the fold and then give the stitch, and then overlapping each other I'm going to attach it here. So here you can see I have given the fold. Now I will overlap it little bit till the stitch like this, and then facing both the right sides together, matching the middle point of both the pieces, I am going to give the stitch, and I'll join both the pieces together like this. And I'm going to cut this remaining fabric from the sides. So after attaching both the pieces together, now I am completing my neckline. So for that I am attaching this piping to the neckline, and I will complete my neckline with this piping. So I have already done this video how to make piping. So if you want, I can leave the link below in the description box. You can go and check it out. So just make a piping and then attach it here to the neckline. Now give small cuts. And then take this part to the wrong side, and from the front side give the top stitch. So you have to complete both the necklines, the front part and the back part, in a similar way. Here my neckline is done, you can see. Now my neckline is done, front part and back part both, and this is the bottom part. Here you can see how I have attached it, overlapping it like this. Now we are going to attach both the shoulders. And after attaching the shoulders, here I am completing my sleeves with the bias binding strip. So make a long bias binding strip, and then facing both the right sides together, you have to attach it like this. Now take this part and fold it to the wrong side. Make 2 little folds and give the stitch. So here you can see this is the back part and this is done. Now I'm going to pin this. I will adjust it properly. Keep both the fabric on each other and then pin it. Now I'm going to measure the measurement of my chest, all the body measurements here, and then I will give the side fittings. So first I'm measuring the chest measurement, and if you want you can take this stitch straight down like this to the bottom part and then give the stitch, or you can give the waist measurement and then the hips measurement like this, like here I'm giving. So first I'm giving the measurement of my chest, then waist, and then hips part. So here you can see my side fittings are done, and it's looking like this. This is the front part, this is the front pleat. Now I will complete the bottom part and the back part. So this is the back part, and here I'm going to attach some beautiful decorative buttons. So I have these buttons and I'm going to attach it here so that this will give really pretty look to my top. You can attach it here like this, and from the bottom side I'm going to give 1 inch of fold, and this much of fabric, around 4 or 5 inch of fabric will remain open from the bottom side. So with the help of needle and thread, give the stitch to the button and attach it here like this. So like this only I will attach all my buttons. So this is very easy to do. You can attach it here like this. So here my buttons are attached and this much of fabric will remain open. And now I'm going to complete the bottom part. So give 2 folds to the bottom part and then give the stitch. So here you can see my bottom part is done. This is the back side. My buttons are looking like this, and this part will remain open like this. So these buttons are the main highlight of this top. These buttons are giving really pretty look to my top, and this is different and it's looking really nice. So this was an easy top for your summers. Here you can have a closer look. So I hope you liked this video and you learned something new from this, and if you liked it, then please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on my Instagram handle also. All the links are below in the description box. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.